To deposit money into your TradingView account, follow these steps. Log into your TradingView account. Access your TradingView account using your credentials. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings by clicking on your username or profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Access Deposit section. In the Account Settings menu, look for the option related to deposits or funding. Click on it to proceed. Select Deposit Method. TradingView offers various deposit methods, including credit or debit cards, bank transfers, and electronic wallets. Choose the deposit method that suits you best. Enter deposit amount. Enter the amount you wish to deposit into your TradingView account. Provide payment details. Depending on the selected deposit method, you may need to provide payment details such as card information or bank account details. Confirm deposit. Review the details of your deposit, including the amount and payment method. Confirm the deposit to proceed. Follow additional instructions. Depending on the selected deposit method, you may need to follow additional instructions provided by TradingView or the payment provider. Wait for processing. Once the deposit is initiated, wait for the transaction to be processed. This usually happens instantly for electronic payment methods, but may take longer for bank transfers. Check TradingView account. After the transaction is processed, check your TradingView account to ensure that the funds have been successfully deposited.